Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will react on Turkish dance and Afghanistan traditional dance. Which one is the better? You will decide in part of comment section. I will see your all of comment. So let's start what we have today now.
Like the video right now, right now.
So that is the end of Turkish dance. Hope you like and enjoy from it. And now it's time to react on traditional dance of Afghanistan. So I will see your decision in part of comment. So that is the Afghanistan traditional dance. We call it attan. So guys, tell me what's the difference between Turkish and Afghanistan dance in part of comment section.
So, how is the video? Do you like that kind of video? Yeah, if you like, then don't forget the like button. Please.
So guys, that is the end of Attan. Hope you like and enjoyed it from the video, and don't forget the subscribe button and also like, and this is my next suggestion for you, and bye bye for now.